I want to share an idea I am having about one rental at a time, specifically the amazing courses we've created. Again, I've been coached up, it's suggested, admired, whatever you want to call it, to raise the price of my course. I am not, let me repeat, not going to raise the price of the base course, at least not today. But I am thinking about raising the mentoring option, right, folks? We will take a look at my mentoring option today. It is essentially the base course plus 30 minutes of my time. I'm actually thinking about taking it from a price point of $7.99 to $9.99. But I'm going to do something different and special, something that hopefully you've come to expect from me on this channel. What I'm going to do is, if you buy the $9.99 course, which is, again, how to get started one rental at a time, plus 30 minutes of my time, I'm going to give you every other course I have. So we're talking, I think, about $400 in free things. And this is why I'm doing it. One, I think if you're going to get my mentoring option, you should have everything I've created. I think that makes sense. I want you to have Mastermind, Buy Box. I want you to have access to all the amazing things I've done. I will also give you all of the future courses, right? We were talking about doing one with Dan Bird, probably do one on something with Think Media and the like. So what I want to do here is let you know about it. So first thing, if you have already bought the course for mentoring, I am going to give you everything I own. So what I will be doing myself, or maybe asking my team to do, is go through the hundreds of people that have already bought the mentoring option, and we will manually add all the courses. So I want to show you what we are talking about here. Let me just share the screen real quick. So again, folks, if you haven't checked out my website, onerentalatatime.com, please do so. Please do so today. I spent thousands of dollars redoing it because I wanted to celebrate the millionaires, right? All of them have their bios here. If you want to know the history of one rental at a time, you can get it here. There's a little timeline down the side. But most importantly, what we're going to do here is we're going to talk about the courses. So again, this is the one I'm talking about, the mentoring option. This base course, not changing, at least not today, $3.99. This course is going to go to $7.99. And again, the hundreds of you that have already bought it, what I'm about to say, I will manually give you. It will come probably in the next week. What I'm going to do going forward, if you buy this course, is I'm going to give you Get Your Money Right, which is a $100 course. I'm going to give you the 2-hour deep dive. I'm going to give you the mastermind. I'm going to give you the Legends of Real Estate Investing. We're going to give you the one with the top real estate agents. We're going to give you out of state investing, raising private money, and how to leverage debt, equity, and portfolio review. So all of those are over $400 plus what will come the remainder of the year. I just think that's the right thing to do. So again, if you want to buy it, I'm telling you now, so probably I'll give you 2 weeks, maybe till July 1st or July 4th weekend. Buy the course. If you want all this free stuff, if you want to have a 30-minute conversation with me, now is the time. Now is the time. Buy it, because this will be $9.99 going forward. Again, if you do buy this option, generally what I recommend is you do the work for a month, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, then we schedule the call. I think for most people, having the call day one is a mistake. Because again, you will only get one 30-minute direct one-on-one with me. So again, folks, I want to let you know right now, if you want to buy the course, you've ever thought about buying the course, you can do that. Second, if you have bought this course, $3.99, and you've thought about the mentoring option, reach out to me. We will work it out. There will be, let's do the math. So that's a $400 upgrade. So for $400, you will be upgraded to this, get all of these free courses and 30 minutes of my time. I'm trying to do the right thing by people who bought it. You're going to get everything. I want to do right by people who thought about buying it. You can do that. But most importantly, a lot of you have thought about buying it. Now is the time. Buy it at $7.99. Get the 30 minutes. Get all this free stuff before it goes up. I'm going to raise the price July 1st, maybe July 4th, depending on how I feel. But buy it today. So again, lastly, you can go back to the site, look at all these amazing things that are here. So I would appreciate feedback and thoughts and things of that nature. So again, folks, have an amazing day. I appreciate you. Take care. And again, don't forget to check out the millionaires on our website. Thank you so much.